After the end of the Second World War, many of the North American and European companies reverted back to old habits, focusing on profits over product quality. Japan, on the other hand, was in reconstruction. Previously known for cheap cameras and wind-up tin toys, they spent the next half a century focused on quality over profitability. Much of the quality control technology and techniques used today were developed in Japan during this period. As the technologies and techniques improved, so did the profitability, and so did the ability of the Japanese companies to compete in the North American and European markets, forcing companies to adapt or close forever. The quality crisis of the late 1970s and early 1980s led to the development of new approaches to quality control. Benchmarking is the process of measuring an organization or an organizational process or product and comparing it against an industry standard, then measuring it against the best in class within the same industry. It is an integral part of the continuous improvement cycle because it allows us to identify opportunities for improvement within an organization, or it can be external by comparing similar processes and products within another or competing organization. With internal benchmarking, we can identify trends through the examination of data over time. Externally, they allow us to see where an organization stands when compared to its competition and to determine areas of improvement in one organization based on the successful improvements implemented in competing organizations. Sometimes it is just cheaper to wipe the slate clean through a process known as business process reengineering. In the 1990s, Michael Hammer and James Champy published a book promoting the idea of re-engineering the corporation. The premise of this method is based on the understanding that larger companies use workflows that are based on assumptions which are no longer valid. There are 7 principles to streamline, which includes organizing around outcomes, not tasks, identifying all processes within an organization and prioritizing them, integrating information, processing work, treating graphically dispersed resources as though they were centralized, link parallel activities instead of integrating them, putting decision points where the work is performed, and capture information once at the source. The balanced scorecard is a strategic performance metric that is used to identify as well as improve internal business functions and processes, along with the resulting outcomes. They exist as a means to measure and provide feedback to an organization. In order to make well-informed business decisions, it is crucial to collect the type of data produced through the balanced scorecard because it is readily interpreted. First envisioned by Drs. Kaplan and Norton in 1992, when they adapted common financial metrics for use in non-financial industries. The scorecard focuses on 4 aspects of a business, including learning and growth, business process, customer perspectives, and, of course, financial data. These aspects encompass the vision and strategy of an organization and therefore require active management in order to analyze the data. Six Sigma is a methodology, a set of tools and techniques designed specifically for the purpose of identifying opportunities, fixing those opportunities, and improving a process or a group of processes. It was first envisioned by Bill Smith in 1986 while working for Motorola. By 1995, Jack Welch made it a centralized part of General Electric. Accordingly, businesses and processes that operate at a Six Sigma level are 99.99966% defect-free, or DPMO. Like a tradesman, the methodology and skills are passed down from a master, the black belt, to a journeyman, the green belt, to the apprentice, the yellow belt, without any centralized certification authority. Like Six Sigma, Lean is also a methodology, a set of tools and techniques designed specifically for the purpose of reducing and eliminating any non-value added activities within an organization or process. The main tool in the Lean tool belt is the value stream, which provides a visualization of a process or group of processes. That allows for the identification of waste opportunities. These wasteful, non-value added activities are represented by the acronym downtime, which stands for defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talents, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing, which are commonly referred to as MUDA or the 7 wastes. Quality control is crucial to the success of any business. It can either make or break an organization. Good quality products and services build trust and lead to repeat business. But bad quality costs an organization money and drives that business away. Every week, we upload new videos between 5 and 10 minutes in length, where we will focus on the concepts and strategic implementation of Lean and Six Sigma. As a Master Black Belt, I am passionate about quality. And if you are too, then click subscribe to be notified whenever we upload our next Lean Six Sigma video.